In this video, today we are going to see about the 10th standard chapter 5 coordinate geometry, point slope form and 2-point form. How to find the equation of a straight line using these two concepts. That only we are going to see today. The first concept is point slope form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. And the 2-point form is, the formula is point slope form. Whenever a point and a slope was given, to find the equation of a straight line we need to use this formula. Whenever 2 points are given, for finding the equation of a straight line we need to use this formula. Let me explain you with this sum. Find the equation of a straight line which has a slope and a passing through the point. Here one slope and a point was given. Whenever one point and a slope was given, we need to use the formula for finding the equation of a straight line. We need to use y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here y minus, here y1 is 2. This is x1 and this is y1. Here our y1 is 2 and m is minus 5 by 4 and x minus x1 is minus 1. Here already we have minus. So let me write inside one small bracket. Next step, y minus 2. I can cross multiply this 4 to that side. So 4 into y minus 2 is equal to minus 5 into x. Minus into minus will become plus 1. Now I can take this 4 inside. 4 into y is 4y and 4 into 2 is 4 2s are 8, plus into minus is minus 8 is equal to, here now I can take this minus 5 inside. Minus 5 into x is minus 5x. Then minus into plus is minus. 5 ones are 5. Now I need to arrange it in order. I told you already, in the previous video I told you already that x should be always positive. Here it was given as a negative. So I need to take it to that left side. That for making this as positive I should take it to that side. So minus 5x, while I am bringing this side it will become plus 5x. So I need to write this one first. That is 4y minus 8 minus 5x, while taking this side that will become plus 5x. Minus 5 while I am taking this side that will become plus 5 is equal to 0. Now first here 5x is there. First x term you should write. So 5x, then y term, then at last constant term. So here we have two constant term. So simplify it. Minus 8 plus 5 will become minus 3, which is the equation of a straight line. So whenever one point and a slope was given, you should use the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And the next one is, and another concept is, find the equation of a line through the given pair of points. Here 2 points were given and they have asked find the equation of a line. So I told you already, whenever 2 points were given, we need to use the formula. For finding the equation of a straight line, we need to use the formula y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So here y minus y1. So y minus, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So y minus, here instead of y1 I should substitute 3. Instead of y2 I should substitute minus 1. Then minus y1, instead of that I should write 3 equal to x minus, here instead of x1 I have 2 by x2 I have minus 7. Then here I have minus, then x1 we have 2. Now y minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 will become minus 4 is equal to x minus 2 minus 7 and minus 2 will become minus 9. Now I need to cross multiply both to that side. That is minus 9 into y minus 3 is equal to minus 4 into x minus 2. Now I need to take this 9 inside. So minus 9 into y is minus 9y. Minus 9 into minus 3 is, minus into minus will become plus. 9 3s are 27 and 4 into x is 4x. So minus 4x. Now minus into minus will become plus. So 4 2s are 8. So I told you already, x should be always positive. To make that as positive, I need to take it to that left side. That is, for minus 9y plus 27, you write as it is. Now you need to take this one to the left side, that is minus 4x. While I am bringing this side, it will become plus 4x, and plus 8 while taking to that side will become minus 8 is equal to 0. Now x term should be written first, then y term, then at last constant term. So here we have two constant terms, so simplify it. 27 minus 8 will become 19. Here greater number we have positive, so plus 19, which is the equation of the straight line. So whenever they have given 2 points, for finding the equation of a straight line, we need to use this formula. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So this will be the equation. Now next sum. Find the slope of a line joining the given points. So here 2 points were given. Here some students may get difficulty for finding this, that is find the equation of, they may get confusion. Find the equation of a line. Here find the slope of a line. There also they have given 2 points. Here also they have given 2 points. Only thing is, you should notice the question clearly. You have to read the question clearly. Here find the equation of a line. Here find the slope of the line. Some may misunderstand this concept and they may find it wrongly. So that's why I have included this sum also here. So you should read the question repeatedly and then only you should answer. So here 2 points were given. So for finding the slope, there finding the equation of a line. So for finding the slope, you know the formula, m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here y2 is 2 and y1 is 1. Here x2 is minus 3. Here x1 is minus 6. So I am writing in a small bracket. Next step I can 2 minus 1 by minus 3. Minus into minus will become plus 6. In the next step, 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 3 plus 6 will become 3, which is the slope. So whenever 2 points were given and asked the slope, you need to use the slope formula. Whenever 2 points were given, if they ask the equation of a straight line, you need to use this formula. Thank you.